Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract rare and zip archives in Samsung Galaxy A14. And to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside look for the app called Rare, it's Air, hit the search button, then select this app and install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open the app. Then it will ask for all file access and you will need to grant it. Now we can go back, allow to send notifications and dismiss this one. From here your app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.